Hello everyone, now I'm standing at one of our LESSO Solar project sites. Right behind me, we can see 215 kWh battery storage cabinets, totaling 1,720 kWh capacity and up to 800 kWh output power. This system was custom built for a polymer functional film factory to optimize power usage, cut electricity costs, and ensure supply stability. The first key benefit is peak shaving and valley fueling. This system charges during the low rate hour at night and discharge during the day when electricity is more expensive, significantly reducing operating costs, especially for the energy-intensive factories like this one. This system is also integrated with the factory's solar power station. Without storage battery, the solar power had to be used or sold right away, often at a low price, making revenue unpredictable. Now, with the storage battery, we can storage the solar power during the day and either use it at night or sell it when the peak pricing hour. With the PV, storage, and a smart schedule setup, our clients can protect self-consumption of green energy, respond to the marketing price, and control their energy income with precision. In manufacturing environments like this one, even a short outage can cause raw material loss, equipment issues, or downtime. Our system offers industry-grade UPS support. Switch to the battery power in milliseconds during the grid failure. It also supports black start, allowing the system to reboot independently. During total power loss, keep critical operations running. This entire system is managed through our in-house developed LESSO Solar EMS, an energy management system. Enable real-time monitoring, optimization, and control. Users can track battery status, voltage, temperature, and charge-discharge flows in real time. The storage cabinets are rated IP54, offering excited protection against the dusty and water. It is suitable for a variety of industry and commercial use cases. LESSO Solar is committed to delivering smart, safer, and more efficient green energy solutions. If you consider solar or battery for your facility or business, reach out to us. We will tailor the perfect solution for your needs.